30% you need to know by 1013. Today this is going to focus on file and directory ownership. Before I start guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment if there is something you don't understand. I'll make sure that I will reply in time. So let's get started. Guys, welcome again to another video. Today this is going to focus on how to change file and directory ownership in Termux. If you're changing a file or directory ownership, you have to make sure that your Android phone is rooted, because if your Android phone is not rooted, it would be really useless to you. But you have to watch this series so that next time if your Android phone is rooted, you can complete this series. You can know how to change file ownership in Termux. Even mine guys is not rooted, so I will explain and show you how to change the file ownership in Termux. So let's get started. Remember guys, in our previous video we learned about how to change file permission using the command called chmod. Okay, but today we're going to focus on how to change file ownership using the command called cho. Okay. So you can check it by typing what is. Okay, so let's check it. Okay, so I'll just say what is cho. Okay, cho is to change file ownership and group. Okay, so let me just clear this. Okay, and start and clear. Sorry. Okay, so let me list it in a human readable format. Okay guys, so the file we're going to change the ownership is hello.sh file. Okay, so as you see guys, the user is u08-112. okay, we're going to change it into a root user. So if you change into a root user, so we can say cho root specified by the file. The file is hello.sh file. Sorry, hello.sh. And hit enter. In fact, it will be changed into a hot user, but the group it will still belongs to u08-112. If I hit enter now, it will tell me that I'm not supposed to do this kind of thing because I'm not rooted. As you see, operation not permitted. It's because my phone is not rooted, guys. Okay, you have to know that. But if your phone is rooted, the file it will be changed into a root user. The file it will belong to a root user. Okay, so you can check it by typing sudo that you rooted or you are not rooted. Okay, so you can just say sudo. So as you see, it asking you that are you rooted, so that means I'm not rooted, guys. Okay, so let's just clear this and do it again. Okay, so as I said guys, so if you're changing a file into a root user, you can say ch1 root specified by the file inside the below sh file. I don't know which file you want to change the permission, okay, in your own way, but mine I'm going to change the hello.sh file. Okay, so that's it guys. This is how you can change the okay guys, so now let's learn about how to change the group ownership into a root user. Okay, so if I'm changing the group ownership into a root user, I can say chgrp. Okay, let's check about what is chgrp. Okay, as you see guys, chgrp is to change group ownership in Termux or Linux, even Linux guys. Okay, so let me list this in a human readable format and see the file we're going to change the ownership. Okay, so we're going to change the hello.sh file. Okay, as you see guys, the user is belong to u08-112. So if I'm changing it into a root user, okay, if I'm changing it into a root user, I can say chgrp change change it to root specified by the file. The file is hello.sh file, and hit end. The file it will change into a root user, to a group user, sorry. So as you see guys, I'm still getting the same message, operation not permitted, so that means I'm still not rooted guys. But if you are rooted, this file it will be changed into a root user, okay, by typing grp root hello.sh and hit enter. The file will be changed into a group root user, okay. If remember, let's go back, okay, in our previous, okay. So if I'm changing the user into a root user, I can say ch on root hello.sh and hit enter. The file will change into a root user, okay. So if I'm changing the group is chgrp root.sh file, okay. So let me just clear this. Okay guys, I installed Linux in my Termux, okay. If you want to know how to install Linux in your Termux with all tools that are in Linux, just let me know in the description, on the comment section guys, sorry. I will create a video for you how to install Linux in Termux. As you see guys, now I'm running Linux in Termux, okay. So let me clear this. Let me run Linux as a root user, okay. So I can say sudo su and hit enter. As you see guys, now I'm running as a root, as I say, root localhost, okay, and type ls, sorry. Let me just try to list it in a email readable format. Sorry. Let me just clear this and list it in a email readable format. It says okay, so as you see guys, we have the hello.sh file right here. The user belongs to root, and the group belongs to a root now, okay. Let me just show you so that you see it. As you see guys, the users belong to a group, sorry, the users belong to root and the group belongs to root now, okay. So let's try it, okay, in Linux. So I can say ch on specify, change it into a root user, and the file is hello.sh and hit enter. As you see guys, the file it would be changed into a root user, okay. So now let's change the group, okay, group user. So I can say chgrp change it into a root user specified by the file hello.sh file and hit enter. Now the group it will belongs to a group user. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bar for every video I upload to be the first to view the video. So thank you for watching the Termux Essential for you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you next time.